So anyway, back to the Dollar Tree haul. So I got one of these gold, like, I don't know what you call this, like a prism print cup. I don't know if it's showing up or whatever. Kind of cool. I basically got one of these in orange for Halloween and a black one. And then I saw the gold and I was like, I want to try that. So I picked this one up. I got a bunch of these. This one got smashed, but these say Guru Nanda Sinus Rinse Bottle. Basically, I've been using a sinus rinse nonstop because my allergies have been going crazy, and we had an issue with mold in this place that we were living. So basically, I've had to clean out my nose every day, and I was using another brand, and it was like kind of expensive. It was like 20 something a bottle. So I found these for $1.25. So I'm like, I'm gonna stock up on these. If these work, like that'll save me like tons of money. So I got this brush. I don't know if this is like the brush I was thinking of getting, but I was watching Dollar Tree hauls, which I know, whatever, but it was supposed to be like a dupe for some fancy detangling brush that was trending, which like normally I don't care about these stupid trending things, but I do have like thick hair, and I was like, well, if this actually works, like I'll try it for $1. I don't know if this is the right one. It says detangling brush. It seems really flimsy though, so we'll have to see. And then I also picked up this face mask, and it is Global Beauty Care, which I typically like their stuff. I don't know if it's like made exclusively for the Dollar Tree or not, but none of their stuff has ever given me a reaction, and the ingredients seem pretty decent, and I have like sensitive skin, so I can't always try all the Dollar Tree stuff. I mean, so it says resurfacing and exfoliating enzyme mask with pumpkin and AHAs, so that sounds good. That's like what, anti-aging? I don't know. Yeah, it's pumpkin, it's fall, like, yeah, I'm one of those people. And I'm trying not to be excessive, but like, it's $1.25 pumpkin face mask. I didn't buy like a new one this year anywhere else. Like, normally I just buy the Trader Joe's ones because they're nice and they're cheap and the ingredients are pretty good. But I just bought this one. It seems like fairly reasonable. So I picked up this stuff. I have been looking at Halloween stuff elsewhere. It's just been like really inflated with the prices, so I picked up one of these. This is just a black skull mug. Basically, some of the other stuff I got was just a continuation of the whole buying the weird socks trend. So they have these Disney crew socks. I'm not really like a Disney person or whatever, but I like these ones. They were Snow White. Now you can see my shadow. More Dollar Tree stuff. So it says very soft. I think that's supposed to say very soft. It says with beauty cream ingredients, grapefruit, pink grapefruit soap, vegan beauty soap. I think I just saw this in a video as well, and I was like, ooh, that sounds good. Here you go. Then I found these silicone lip scrubbers. I had been wanting to try these actually, so I just grabbed them. It's a 2-pack. I don't know if this is like useless or not, but I feel like if it's sort of like a self-care thing and it feels good on your lips and it gets the dead skin off or whatever. My other little mug find. I typically am like, as I'm saying this, I have a bunch of cups, but I really don't buy cups anymore, but I just wanted some fun fall stuff. Probably like I don't need these mugs, but just the prices at some of the other stores were like really excessive, so then I'm like, oh, Dollar Tree, you're not looking so bad. I did get some candles and stuff elsewhere and like some gifts, but or I didn't purchase them, other people purchased them for me, but I just picked up a few mugs, so I grabbed this little ghost mug. So we were just looking around and my boyfriend picked these up for me. They're just like little ceramic mushrooms and they have kind of a velvety top. I've picked up a few Dollar Tree products before that are mushroom themed. I love mushrooms, and it seems like mushrooms are pretty trendy lately with, you know, the cottagey vibes and themes or whatever, so I do like that they're having this stuff. Again, I'll use it like it's decorative. It doesn't have to be like fall or seasonal or whatever. It's literally just mushroom. If you want to have mushroom decor and like pressed dried flowers and like just cool witchy things or whatever, or like nature things, like whatever floats your boat. I just like mushrooms, so they're kind of whimsical and fun. And I literally just bought these, and it's not because I'm a shopaholic, it's because my sleep has been so wrecked by this move and all the surrounding stressful circumstances that I couldn't even remember what I got at the Dollar Tree, which is sad, but I'm gonna make the best of it, you know, glass half full. have a nice relaxing self-care night. Maybe use some of my Dollar Tree stuff because, you know, budget here. But some of these things I picked up can basically go into that whole little theme. So I picked up a pair of compression socks. I don't know that I need these, but I've always had my curiosity piqued on compression socks, and I thought about just buying a pair from Amazon, but I'm like, let me just try the Dollar Tree ones and see if they do anything. If they don't, like, I'll just wear them as like little work socks or whatever, but they're just black socks, so nothing crazy there. It's a makeup thing. I'm trying to cool it on the Dollar Tree makeup front because I don't wear a ton of makeup, but I have been feeling like I've been kind of feeling the makeup trendy videos and like the fun of it and wanting to just try a few things. But I did pick this up because this is a concealer. So that's kind of like a basic, and this was a light colored concealer, which they don't normally have, so I wanted to try it. It says that it brightens and covers blemishes and dark under eye circles, which if you're watching this video you can see because I haven't slept in days and my under eyes look like black and blue, like somebody punched me out. So I don't really have like a good attempt at makeup on right now. So I just like put some mascara on to try to make myself look less dead, but like it's not working. But anyway, La Mercerie. I don't know this brand, but I thought it looked cool. And then there was a Global Beauty Care sheet mask, which this just looked cool to me. I'm trying to avoid most of the sheet masks because really they're a one-time use and throw it away product. You use them one time and then throw them away, which is kind of wasteful. But every once in a while I'll pick one up. I like this brand, Global Beauty Care, because they don't typically add fragrance, and almost all of the Dollar Tree masks have added fragrance unless it's like not a Dollar Tree brand and it's like an outside one that they're just carrying. I have found one brand and I don't remember the name. It was really cool, and it was like, it said that it was women owned and black owned or something, but that was the only one other than this that I found that was fragrance free. But it's a banana sheet mask, so this just looked fun. I want to try it, so we'll see what happens. I also picked up this liquid eyeshadow. I had seen these a week or two ago, and I think they put them out for Halloween. It says Ultimate Glow, so I don't know if this glows. I doubt it, but it says limited edition, and it looked like it was with the Halloween stuff, and I wanted to grab a few, but they were literally like ransacked, and it's only been like a week, so I grabbed this one as it was like one of the only ones left. And I obviously like green, so there's that. And green looks really good with my eyes, so this is my last little Dollar Tree bag of the week or the month or whatever. I picked up this decorative flower clip. So this is like a non-essential. This one's actually kind of battered too, but I went to the area that had this like floral display, and this was literally the only one. And they were already putting out the Thanksgiving and Christmas stuff, and I was like, I want one of these. And so this was just like a little floral clip. I had seen them like a month or two ago in the Halloween stuff, which they had out in August, and they're like a little flower with like a decorative clip on the back, so nothing too fancy, probably not worth $1.25. Like, you could just buy a whole packet of fake flowers and maybe like put your own clips on the back or whatever, but I just wanted to try them for like a DIY like fall look. Like I'm thinking something silly with like a hat, or like clipping this on a purse or on a shoe, like a shoe top. It sounds crazy, but like it looks good in my head. And now that I'm thinking of it, I wish that I had two of these, but this was literally the last one. So they had like a really cool black Halloween one that was kind of gothic looking, and I wish I had bought that one, but I didn't. So I just grabbed this one because I had that, you know, fearful moment, which I hate that they're getting impulse buys on that. So I'm gonna have to find a way to manage that, but it's just annoying that you can't really shop around and everything's seasonal, but it's not in the right season. Because so I did pick this up, and it is a microneedle facial roller, which a few years ago, before the pandemic, so 2019, I remember these being really trendy, and I got really into them. And I think I bought one off of Amazon, and it was like $25 or some stupid price, or maybe it wasn't that much. And then like a year or two ago, or maybe more at this point, I don't remember, I started seeing them in Walmart for like $10, and then they were in Dollar Tree, and like, this is probably like an overstock thing, but I was like, it's $1 now. Of course that I've fallen into the trend and bought it. I've fallen into the trend and purchased it, and of course it's $1 now, but this is the type of thing where if you're into it and you want to like derma roll and put on skincare, like obviously You can probably sanitize these with alcohol, but it wouldn't hurt to have a spare to like change it out if it gets dull or if it's like a bacteria concern, or like maybe you wanted to have one for your face and one for like a different part of your body so that you weren't like mixing things. I don't know. As I say, like I'm supposed to stop buying socks, and I'm not really a Disney person. I also bought 2 other socks, so that was a bit much. I just thought these were interesting with the illustration. I thought they were kind of pop arty, so I did pick up this Cinderella one, and then I picked up the Betty Boop one, like whatever, I just grabbed them. So, there you go. I picked up this LA Colors eyeshadow. I was kind of in a rush, and I had remembered seeing like a makeup video. It was like a budget, like Dollar Tree makeup video or something, and the girl was using, like she does a lot of dollar store beauty videos, which I think is fun and kind of cool for like people like me who don't really want to wear makeup but maybe just want to play around or like get something cheap for Halloween. But anyway, she was doing like an eye look with like LA Colors makeup, which is not the greatest makeup, but she did make it look cool. And one of the things she had like a silver in it, so I think I saw that and I purchased this one. I don't think it's the same palette, but it was like $1.25 eyeshadow, and I thought like silver might be cool for like a Halloween look. And so I'm trying to figure out some different costumes, but I'm trying to stock up on a few things because I feel like it's only October 3rd or 4th or whatever, but I feel like if, you know, by the time I make a decision on a costume or a look or whatever, that like all of the cheap supplies are going to be purchased up. So I feel like silver can go with a lot of different looks. Silver and gray can go with like a pretty look and do like a smoky eye, but it also could go with like a spooky gray kind of dead look. So I did pick this up as well. These are the last 2 things I got from the Dollar Tree, I believe. I picked up this little apple, and now that I'm looking at it, it actually looks kind of damaged, so I'm annoyed. There's like a little mark there, but again, it's the Dollar Tree, so I got this little apple just because I thought it was cute. It's gold, or it's hollow, it's not gold. It is a red velvet apple. I believe it's ceramic or something inside, and then it has like a gold stem. I just thought this was cute. Honestly, this would be cute for decorating for the fall, but like, can you also picture this as like part of a Halloween costume? Like if you're Snow White and you need your apple, or you're doing like a Real Housewives like pic and you got the apple out. So this is my last item from the Dollar Tree. Ooh, it's a candle, which I've been buying a lot of candles, so probably gonna cut back. So this is just the Dollar Tree brand Luminescence Pumpkin Ginger Ale. I actually already picked one of these up and I liked it, so I noticed there was one left, so I grabbed another one. It's just like a little mason jar, tiny orange candle. Like it's not very big. I'm gonna use my hand for scale, but like it's cute for like your desk or maybe like your office or something.